Hello, welcome back. I promised to make a video on this. Please subscribe if you haven't. This is what you do when your thread is getting smaller. Make 2 to 3 notes, and you pass the needle through the beads on the already bead parts. Now cut the thread. Another thread on the beading needle. Then tie 3 knots like this. Don't go directly to where the beadwork ended. You will have to go through the beaded mat with the needle like I'm showing here. Now continue beading until when the thread becomes small. You will repeat the previous process. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.